Mexican restaurant, and it's right by the beach, so it's perfect. You get a good view. Happy hour time. I'm not sure what the happy hour deal is, but we're doing the happy hour thing. So that's maybe. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. Half off drinks. It's her birthday. We need to get her drunk. How is it?
This is really good.
Just got these margaritas. They're called Vallarta margaritas, and they're really good. They're very cucumbery tasting, right?
Yep.
And what is it, like mint in there?
And mint.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. Also, this sauce right here, it's so good. It's like creamy, and I don't even know what it's made out of, but I feel like there's some garlic in here.
Avocado.
Avocado. Oh my god, it's so good. Got a mango drink right here. Mango margarita. I forgot the name. And this one is Jamaica.
Jamaica tequila.
Are you drunk?
Mm-hmm. Can you tell?
She needs a shot.
Mm-hmm. No.
But she doesn't want to. So I'm gonna have to sneak it in her.
That's dangerous.
I'm good at that.
Sneaking it in?
Yeah. Oh,
look at that.
Man, that looks so good.
That does look good.
So we're done with the restaurant. That food was really great, and definitely planning on coming back here. My cousin Viviana is gonna be here for her birthday, so I think we should take her here. I'm a big fan of this place. I like it, and there's a beach right next to it, which we're currently trying to navigate towards. There's a moat, not really a moat, but there's like a canal that is between us and the beach, and it's kind of weird. Never seen it. Never seen something like it.
There's cars driving here. I've never seen that either.
So we're trying to figure it out right now. We're about to head to the beach. I have class in like 30-40 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, I guess. But the thing about class is that it's online. COVID-19, you know, making everything distanced. So since we're doing online class, I could do it from anywhere as long as I have an internet connection, which is what's going to happen today. So we finally found the way around this moat that's right here, and the view here is just, the view here is so nice. Behind us we have the ocean, and then there is whatever is down there. I think there's like a restaurant and maybe some entertainment. There's a lot of cars going in and out, so if you hear like a weird thumping noise, that's them right there. It's weird. I don't know if you can hear it, but anyways, this view behind me is just really nice. Real pretty mountains and beach. Again, Santa Barbara has the views. That's one thing that you can take away from all these videos that I've been making for the past couple of days is Santa Barbara has some good views. For now, I'm just gonna wait for my class to start. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of drone footage in this area just because it's just so pretty. Look at all the boats in the water that I'm gonna try to get in. So yeah, I think this might be it. I don't know. Well, are we doing anything tonight? This is it? Yeah, this is it. So let's try to get some good drone footage before my class starts.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like when one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around.